Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So dvsa sent over another email. Let's quickly go through it. Refunding practical driving tests on hold. Early next week, we'll be contacting practical test candidates who still have a car test on hold due to the COVID-19 to let them know that they will have until the 2nd of November to book a test. So if you're currently on hold because of COVID-19, next week you're going to be sent a link, and with the link, you should be able to book a test, and you'll have until the 2nd of November to book a test. Okay, cancelling test. If you no longer want a practical car test, they can cancel it at this link. They'll then get a full refund within 5 working days. So as I mentioned, with FM Driving School, once you subscribe, you'll be updated with all the latest information, as well as us being a fully qualified driving instructor. We've got so many videos available to help you pass your driving test. So make sure you subscribe, and that's the latest information from dvsa. On a side note, and a slightly positive note, you could argue, for those who are not going to book the driving test, maybe they've changed their mind, maybe they don't want to do a driving test, those slots will be available for anybody else waiting. So once those guys have given the priority to book a test slot, and if they don't book it, it should come online for anybody else now to book it, so any random people. So keep an eye out for any cancellations.